Welcome back to Automation Edge. In part 1, we configured our inspection rules on the Automation Edge server. In this video, we'll take those rules into Process Studio, sync them, run inspections on projects, and see how the system controls what can and can't be published. Let's get started. First, we need to bring the rules we configured into Process Studio. To do that, go to Tools, go to Sync, select Inspection Rules. You see a success message, Workflow Inspection Rules synchronized successfully. Your rules are now available inside Process Studio. One important note, rules created or updated on the Automation Edge server are not synced automatically. So remember to manually sync each time you make a change. Want to double check your synced rules? Just go to Tools and select Show Workflow Inspection Rules to view everything currently loaded in Process Studio. Now let's inspect a project to see how it performs against the standards we defined. This report shows 3 things. You can expand any workflow to view the specific rules being violated by that process. Use the Collapse All option to quickly collapse all visible workflows and processes in the report. The View Rule option lets you see the full rule definition, useful to make sure your project is aligned with the latest compliance checks. Click OK when you're done reviewing. Notice this project is marked with a warning icon. It's violating rules in the warning category. Now let's inspect another project using the same steps. Select the project, then right-click and choose Inspect Project. This time you'll notice error icons next to the violating workflows and processes, and the project itself is marked with an error symbol. Now that we've identified warnings and errors, let's take the next step, publishing. Publishing moves your validated workflows from Process Studio to the Automation Edge server, but only compliant projects make it through. Let's try publishing the project that still has errors. The system immediately shows the inspection report along with a message, "This project cannot be published as it contains errors." This safeguard ensures that any project violating critical inspection rules is blocked from going live, keeping your workflows compliant and your automation reliable. In short, Automation Edge doesn't just alert you to errors, it stops them from going live. Now, let's try the project that only has warnings. This time, you'll see a message, "This project will be published with warnings. Do you want to continue?" Click OK, fill in the published details, name, description, category, and version tag, and click Create. The workflow is successfully published to the server. Warnings noted, but the process completed smoothly. This shows that Automation Edge gives you the flexibility to publish projects with minor issues while blocking critical errors that could impact your automations. Now let's head over to the Automation Edge server UI to see the published workflow. Navigate to Workflows, choose Workflow List. You'll find a newly published workflow marked with a warning icon. That icon tells us there are rule violations still associated with it. Click on it to view the specific rules that were violated. Even though the workflow is visible here, remember, it cannot be deployed to the production bin server while those violations exist. Now, here's something important. The user who deployed the workflow can't accept the violations, but any other user can. Let's see how that works in action. Log in using an admin account. Once you're in, you'll notice that accepting violations isn't just a one-click action. The system asks you to provide a reason first. Once a reason is entered, the Accept button becomes active. Go ahead and enter your reason, then click Accept to confirm. A success message will appear confirming that the violations have been accepted. And workflow will have the bubble icon as well, showing that rule violations are accepted. And here's what makes this process trustworthy. Automation Edge automatically logs this action in the audit log. Every acceptance is recorded, so there's always a clear trail of who approved what and why. And that's how the workflow inspection feature in Automation Edge helps ensure your projects and workflows stay compliant, consistent, and error-free. To summarize, across both videos, we covered how to configure inspection rules on the AE server, sync them into Process Studio, inspect projects for errors and warnings, and control what gets published based on compliance. Workflow inspection helps you enforce development standards and prevent deployment of faulty workflows right from the start. Thank you for watching. Visit Automation Edge Academy for any queries. Keep learning, keep exploring, and happy automating.